Good morning, friend. Today we will start new chapter named Retirement or Death of a Partner, chapter 5 from class 12 accountancy DK Goal. So before starting, let's see some of the important part related to retirement and what are the things that a retiring partner is entitled. So what is retirement of a partner? So a partner has the right to retire from a firm after giving due notice in advance. So after retiring or death of a partner, the old partnership come to an end and the remaining old partners continue the business. So a retiring partner is entitled to get the following things such as share in goodwills, share in reserves, and share in revaluation of assets and liabilities. So these are the things that a retiring partner should get, and he is entitled to get these things. Okay. So let's see question number 1a. A, B, C are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 6 is to 5 is to 4. Calculate a new profit sharing ratio if A retires, second B retires, and third C retires. So we know that when a new ratio of the remaining partner will be calculated by striking out the share of the retiring partner if no new ratio is given. So see the calculation. The old ratio of the partners, sorry, of A, B, and C, 6 is to 5 is to 4. So we know that new ratio of the remaining partners will be calculated by striking out the share of the retiring partners. So first one, when A retire, the new ratio between B and C will be 5 is to 4. So this is the answer. 5 is to 4 will be the new ratio between the remaining partners B and C. Same way, number 2, when B retires, the new ratio between A and C will be 6 is to 4. So this is the answer. And same way, number 3, when C retires, the new ratio between A and B will be 6 is to 5. So this is the answer. Hope you understand. See question number 1b. A, B, C and D are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 5 is to 3 is to 1 is to 2. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio if B and C retire from the firm. So here B and C are taking retirement and the remaining partner will be A and D. So you have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio of A and D. So old ratio we know, old ratio is 5 is to 3 is to 1 is to 2, and we know that new ratio of the remaining partners will be calculated by striking out the share of the retiring partners. So here B and C are retiring and remaining partner is A and D. So here when B and C retires, the new ratio between A and D will be, so A's ratio is 5 and D's ratio is 2. So it will be 5 is to 2. You have to do what? You have to only strike out the retiring partner's share, that is 3 and 1. We have to strike out. So this is the answer. Hope you understand. So let's see question number 2. X, Y and Z are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 2 by 3 is to 1 by 4 is to 1 by 12. Calculate the new ratio if X retires. So let's see the solution. The old ratio of X, Y and Z is 2 by 3 is to 1 by 4 is to 1 by 12. So this is the old ratio of X, Y, Z. Therefore, new ratio is, take out the LCM of 3, 4 and 12. You get LCM 12. Now divide 12 by 3 4 times and multiply with 2. It will come 8 is to, divide 12 by 4, get 3, 3 into 1, 3, is to divide 12 by 12. We get 1. 1 into 1, it's 1. So here the new ratio is 8 is to 3 is to 1. So the retiring partner is X. X is retiring from the business. So when X retires, the new ratio between Y and Z will be 3 is to 1. So just strike out X shares, X ratios, that is 8. The remaining shares will be, ratio will be 3 is to 1. So 3 is to 1, this is the answer. Hope you understand. Let's see question number 3. Question is L, M and O were partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio of 3 is to 2 is to 2. M retired and his shares was divided equally between L and Q. O. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of L and O. So in this question, three partners L, M, O sharing their profit in 3 is to 2 is to 2. Here M retired and his shares was equally divided between L and O. So the old ratio, see the solution. Old ratio of L, M and O is 3 is to 2 is to 2. Now M share will be, M's share will be divided into L and O equally. That is, so L's share gaining, L's gaining, L's share is 2 by 7 of 1 by 2, that is L is sharing equally of M share. So 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4, or you can write 1 by, sorry, this is 7 into 2 14, 14, 1 by 7. Now L's new ratio equal to 3 by 7 is old share 3 by 7 plus the new gaining share is 1 by 7. So add this 1 by 7, we will get LCM 7 divided 7 by 7, 1 into 3, 3 plus 1, we get 4 by 7. So this is 4 by 7 is the new ratio of L. Same way O's gaining, O is gaining 2 by 7 of 1 by 2 equally. So here 2 1 are 2 and 7 2 are 14, or you can write 1 by 7. Now same way O's new ratio equal to 2 by 7 plus 1 by 7. Take out the LCM, you get 7 LCM. Divide 7 by 7 one time, multiply with 2, you get 2 plus here 1, here plus 2 and 1 3, 3 by 7. So new ratio of O is 3 by 7. Now therefore new ratio of L and O is, this is L's ratio and this is O's ratio. So here 4 by 7 is to 3 by 7. You can write 4 is to 3. So this is the answer. Hope you understand it. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Let's see question number 4. A, B, C are partners sharing profit in the ratio 4 is to 3 is to 2. B retires and his shares was taken up by A and C in the ratio 3 is to 2. Find out the new ratio. The solution. So the old ratio of A, B and C is 4 is to 3 is to 2. Now the old ratio of A, B and C. So old profit sharing ratio is 4 by 9. Add this 4, 3, 7 to 9. So 4 by 9 is 2. 3 by 9 is 2. 2 by 9. Now B's shares will be divided between A and C in the ratio of 3 is to 2. Yeah, 3 is to 2. So A gains 3 by 5, this 3 by 5 of 3 by 9. So we get 3 3 is 9 and 9 5 is 45. So 9 by 45. So A's new ratio is 4 by 9. Here 4 by 9, this one, plus this gaining ratio 9 by 45. So we get the LCM 9 and 5, 45. We get 45 is the LCM. Divide 9, 45 from 9, we get 5. 5 into 4, 20 plus 45 divided by 45 one time, 1 multiply with 9, we get 9 1 is 9. So here add these two, it will be 29 by 45. So this is A's new ratio. Same way C is gaining. So C is gaining 2 by 5. This one 2 by 5 of 3 by 9. 3 by 9. So we get 3 2 is 6. 9 5 is 45. Now C's new ratio equal to 2 by 9. This is 2 by 9 plus this gaining ratio 6 by 45. Take out the LCM 9 and 45. It will be 45. Divide 45 by 9 5 times. 5 into 2 10 plus 45 divided by 45 one time. 1 into 6 6. So add this 10 into 6. It will 16 by 45. So this is the new ratio of C. Now therefore new ratio of A and C is 29 by 45 is to 16 by 45. So this and this. Now you can write here 29 is to 16. So this is the answer. So hope you understand. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.